Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss 50 multiple choice questions in operating system about file management system. Thus, questions are very important for you for any upcoming exam. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's each question one by one. The first question, what is file? A is a collection of data stored on a storage device, a type of program, a physical device, a user interface element. The term file is which is a collection of data stored on a storage device. 2. Which of the following is not a common operation on file? Create, read, encrypt, delete. Encrypt is which is not a common operation of file. 3. In file system, what does the term file attribute? The content of the file, the metadata associated with the file, the name of the file only, the file size only. The term file attribute refers to metadata associated with the file. 4. Which of the following best describe this directory in file system? Storage unit for files, list of empty files, files that contain user data, logical structure that contain reference to file. In file management system, directory is which is the logical structure that contains reference to the files. 5. What is meant by the truncating in a file? Deleting the file entirely, making the file smaller while retaining its attributes, converting the file format, compressing the file. Truncating a file means making the file smaller while retaining its attributes. 6. What does buffering in the context of file management system? Compressing data, encrypting the file, temporarily storing data while being transferred, backing up files. Buffering means temporarily storing data while being transferred between the source and the consumer of the file. 7. Which of the following structure is used by operating system to manage files? File allocation table, linked list, binary tree, array. The structure that used for operating system to manage file is file allocation table. 8. What is the primary purpose of file management system? To connect to the internet, to retrieve and manage data efficiently, to monitor system security, to manage application process. The purpose of file management system is to retrieve and manage data efficiently. 9. Which command is typically used to delete file in command line interface? Remove, delete, erase, drop. The command that is used to delete file in command line interface is remove. Question number 10. What is file descriptor? A structure used to manage of low-level device. B. An identifier used to access open file in a program. C. A method for deleting file. D. An algorithm for sorting files. File descriptor means an identifier that is used to access open file in a program. 11. What is the role of file operating organization module in file management system? E. To convert logical block address to a physical block address. B. To create user interface. C. To monitor system performance. D. To manage user accounts. The role of file organization module in file management system is to convert logical block address to the physical block addresses. Question number 12. In hierarchical file system, directories can contain A. Only file, only other directories, both file and directory, only metadata. In hierarchical file system, the directory can contain both file and directories. Question number 13. Which type of file operation involves making the content of file available to users? A. Deleting, writing, reading, truncating. Reading, which is a type of file operation in file management that involves to make the content of the file available to any users. 40. In terms of file control, what does the term read-only? The term read-only means the file can be viewed but not modified. Question number 15. When file is compressed, what happens? A. It becomes longer for easier access. It is secure against unauthorized access. Its data is reduced in size for storage efficiency. It is converted to different file formats. When a file is compressed, its data is reduced in size for storage of efficiency. 16. What is logical block in file system? The disk space allocated to a file, a unit of logical addressable space, the physical location of a file, temporal storage space for files. Logical block means a unit of logical addressable space for the file. 17. What does it mean to mount a file in a file system? Mount in a file system means to prepare the file system for access to the users. What is the primary advantage of using hierarchical file system? The advantage of using hierarchical file system is to easier data management and organizations. Which one of the following operation will use file name? File backup, file creation, file reading, all. File name, that is important for file backup, file creation, file reading. So the correct answer is all. 20. A sector refers to, in file system, sector refers to the smallest unit on the physical disk that can be read or written. 21. Which of the following best defines file system? File system, which is a structure that manages how data is stored and retrieved. 22. What does file control block that contains? The file control block can contain information about the file attributes and its location. 23. What could happen if too many files are stored in a single directory? What's the problem? Increased directory management speed, simplified file organization, decreased performance and longer search times, improved access permission. If too many files are stored in a single directory, the performance and the searching time is very increased. So the performance should be decreased. Is the correct answer. 24. How does file system typically handle file permissions? The file system that can handle file permission, which is by enforcing security policy that restricts access permission restriction. 25. What does file locking? In file management system, file locking means restricting access to a file so that only one user can edit it at a time. B is the correct answer. 26. What does path refers to in file system? The path refers in the file management system the location of a file within the directory structure. Question number 27. Which file operation typically requires an exclusive lock? Reading, writing, deleting, all. The file operation that requires an exclusive lock is writing. 28. Which file attribute defines who can read, write, or execute the files? Size, type, access control, identifier. The file attributes that define who can read, write, or execute the file is access control. What type of file system store data in a fixed size unit? Contiguous allocation, fragmented allocation, paging, linked allocation. Paging that stores data in a fixed size unit. 30. Which operation would typically not be reversible? A reading file, truncate file, writing to a file, a renaming file. The file operation that would be not typically reversible, which is truncating file, because the file is removed. 31. Which file system command is used to create new directory? Makefile, mkdir, newdir, cd. The file system command that is used to create new directory is makdir, which is B is the correct answer. 32. What does it mean when file is described as being hidden? If you can say the file is hidden, it means it's not displayed in normal directory listing. It does not mean that it is encrypted or cannot be opened. 33. Which of the following refers to the process of returning file to its previous state? Restoring, committing, backing up, archiving. Restoring file means recovering it from backup or the previous version of the file. 34. Which of the following is an advantage of compression? It is to increase file size, it enables file encryption, it reduces the amount of storage space required, it solves fragmentation issue. The advantage of file compression is reduce the amount of storage space that are required for that file. 35. What does the term data consistency refers to in file system? Data consistency refers to the accuracy and the validity of data over time. 36. What file allocation method link file together sequentially? The file allocation method that is used to link file together in sequentially, which means linked allocation. B is the correct answer. What does the file system use to convert logical address to physical address? Lookup table, data map, memory management unit, control block. The file system that is used to convert logical address to the physical address, which is memory management unit. 38. What happens to file in network if it is saved in a read-only format? If a file in network, if it's saved in read-only format, which is it does not exist on the network. 39. Which layer of file system is responsible for organizing and protecting file data? The logical file system layer that's responsible for organizing and protecting file data. Question number 40. What happens to data when file is permanently deleted? A. It can be recovered easily. B. It is moved to new directory. C. It is lost forever. D. It remains accessible in the unused memory space. When the data file is permanently deleted, it is lost forever. 41. What does the term metadata refers to in the context of file? Metadata means data about data, such as size and type about that data. 42. Which of the following concept refers to the organization of file into directories? Hierarchical file system, linear file system, circular file system, flat file system. A is hierarchical file system is the correct answer. 43. What is the purpose of backup system in file management? A. To optimize file access speed, to create duplicates in case of data lost, to compress file for storage, to monitor user accesses. B is the correct answer. 44. What file operation would like to be the most time consuming? Reading, modifying, writing, deleting. The file operation that takes much time, which is writing the file. 45. What is the purpose of backup system in file management? The purpose of backup system in file management system is to create duplicate in the case of data loss, for the purpose of data loss. 46. Which file operation would typically use write access? C. Modifying a file content permission that helps to write access for the user. 47. In terms of digital storage, what does redundancy refers to? In digital storage, redundancy refers to backup copy of file stored for safety of the data or the loss of data. 48. What is the difference between hard link and soft link? The difference between hard link and soft link is hard link points to the physical location, while the soft link refers to the file path, the path of the file. 49. What happens when file is archived? When the file is archived, it is moved to backup location and compressed for storage. The last question, when file is synchronized across multiple devices, what does that mean? When the file is synchronized across multiple devices, all instances of the file are updated to reflect the same content. Thank you. This is the last question. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.